The human lymphatic system consists of lymphocyte, lymphatic organ, lymph vessel, and lymph node. The lymph node in the neck, armpit and groin area is apparent. A lymph node is filter site for circulation of lymph. This is the afferent lymphatic vessel, this is the efferent lymphatic vessel, this is the cortex part of the lymph node, and this is the medullary part of the lymph node. Any microbe present are removed by macrophages and dendritic cell before the cleaned lymph exists at an efferent lymph vessel. The outer cortex and germinal center are site rich in B cell, while the deep cortex and medulla contain large number of T cell. The lymphatic system is composed of cell and tissue essential to immune function. In the human body, the clear fluid surrounding the tissue and filling the intracellular space is called tissue fluid or lymph. Lymph means water. Lymph bathes the body cell, supplying oxygen and nutrient while collecting waste. To carry this material, the lymph must be pumped through tiny vessel by contraction of skeletal muscle. Eventually, the lymph vessels unite to form large lymphatic vessels. Although the way lymph node filter the lymph before the lymph return to the blood stream, it is the lymphatic tissue in which lymphocytes mature, differentiate and divide. The primary lymphoid tissue consists of thymus, and bone marrow. Thymus, which lie behind the breastbone, and bone marrow. Both are sites where T and B lymphocytes are mature. The secondary lymphoid tissue are the site where mature immune cells interact with pathogen and carry out the acquired immune response. The spleen, a flattened organ at the upper left of the abdomen, contain immune cells to monitor and fight infectious microbes entering the body. Likewise, the lymph node prevalent in neck, armpit and groin. Lymph nodes are bean-shaped structure containing macrophages and dendritic cells that engulf pathogen in lymph and lymphocyte, which responds specifically to foreign substance in the circulation. Because resistance mechanisms are closely associated with lymph node, it is not surprising they become enlarged often called swollen gland, during infection. Other organ systems in the body contain additional secondary lymphoid tissue. In the small intestine, the Peyer's patch and appendix form part of mucosa associated lymphoid tissue. While secondary lymphoid tissue associated with the respiratory tract are tonsil. A specialized lymphocyte and dendritic cell of the malt help defense against pathogen infection.